Hey there, history buffs! Today I'm diving into one of the most iconic moments of the 20th century, the fall of the Berlin Wall. This event didn't just reunite a city, it signaled the end of an era, the Cold War. Imagine this. It's 1961 and Berlin is split right down the middle, East versus West, communism versus democracy. Families are torn apart, friends can't see each other. The Berlin Wall isn't just concrete and barbed wire, it's a powerful symbol of division and oppression. For 28 long years, this wall stood tall, but the human spirit is resilient. The Berlin Wall Memorial on Bernauer Strasse captures this turbulent history. Preserved sections of the wall, along with various exhibits, offer a tangible connection to those days of division. It serves as a testament to the resilience and determination of Berliners who endured separation and fought tirelessly for reunification. Then came that pivotal moment in 1989. The world watched as the wall came down, brick by brick, ushering in a wave of freedom and unity. It wasn't just a local event, it was a global phenomenon. People everywhere felt the tremors of change. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked the triumph of freedom over oppression, unity over division. But the story doesn't end in Berlin. Fragments of the wall have made their way around the world, reminding us of that remarkable night. Take St. Petersburg, Florida, for example. Here, 3 slabs of the wall stand at the Marian Center for Clay. These pieces were transformed into a powerful art project carrying messages of hope and unity. This isn't just a relic of the past, it's a living testament to the power of the human spirit. Art has the power to heal, inspire, and remind us of our collective journey toward freedom and democracy. So, why does this matter today? Because the lessons of the Berlin Wall are timeless. They remind us that walls, literal or metaphorical, can be torn down. They urge us to strive for a future free from division and tyranny. The fall of the Berlin Wall wasn't just the end of the Cold War, it was a new beginning, a powerful message that the human spirit will always triumph over adversity. So, let's take these lessons to heart and work towards a more united world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into history, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating stories from our past. Until next time, stay curious.